Hello students, welcome to lecture number 10 of physics. Students, chapter 2nd is in progress, magnetic effect of electric current. So student, I hope you have watched the previous video of physics in which we told you different ways to find deviation of magnetic needle when current flow through a conductor wire. And in previous video we have taken three categories of different conductors: straight wire, circular loop and solenoid. Here student, before starting ahead, first of all we want to tell you about snow rule. What is snow rule? S-N-O-W, snow rule. Students, we have two diagrams here. Okay, in both the diagrams, if you see here, there is a battery. Here batteries are there in both the diagrams, and in this circuit current is flowing towards, suppose, north to south direction, that is clockwise direction. Okay students, but in this diagram current flows towards okay students, 1 minute. So students, here we have two diagrams. In first diagram, current is flowing towards north to south. Suppose we take directions like that: north, south, east and west. Okay students, west, sorry. Now here in this diagram, current is flowing towards south to north. Means in this diagram, current is flowing anti-clockwise. Okay students. But in this diagram, current is flowing in clockwise direction. Okay students. So this is the direction of current. So to know the deviation of magnetic compass needle, we follow snow rule. How? If current is flowing in a straight wire from south to north, keyword south to north means south to north, and wire is over the magnetic field. Students, actually in this activity we should keep magnetic needle over the wire. इस वायर के ऊपर ही रखना चाहिए हमको. बट टू शो क्लियर डायग्राम वी पुट magnet compass here. तो if current is flowing in a straight wire from south to north and wire is over the magnetic field needle, then north pole of needle is deflected towards the west direction. North pole of needle means this is the needle, or this is north pole and this is south pole. And if current is flowing towards south to north, then the deflection means deviation of this needle towards east. Means ये west की ओर ये deviate हो रहा है. पहले अगर करंट नहीं फ्लो होता, if there is no flow of current, then इसका needle जो है वो ऐसे रहता as it is, ये towards north and south. But as current is flowing towards south to north, the deviation or deflection of magnetic needle is towards west. इस west direction में हुआ. And just opposite to, if current is flowing towards north to south, then deviation towards the east. तो जो इसका deflection है वो किधर गया? ईस्ट की ओर गया. तो student, you must remember that how current is flowing and in which direction the compass needle deviate. So this is called snow rule. South to north, and if compass needle is over the magnetic wire, then compass needle deflects towards west. तो west की डायरेक्शन में compass needle deflect करेगी, and जब जस्ट उसका अपोजिट करें, if current is flowing towards north to south, then compass needle deflect towards east. So these are the deviations or deflection of compass needle if current is flowing through a conductor straight wire. Okay students, so these are the direction of magnetic field due to flow of current. In which direction compass needle deviates? In first case towards the west and in second case towards east. Okay students, so write down this. So students, here we have another topic of this chapter, magnetic field patterns produced by current carrying conductors having different shapes. Current carrying conductors having different shapes. So students, we have three type of different conductors in which we will study the magnetic field pattern. Number one, a straight conductor carrying current. Straight conductor carrying current means a type of straight wire. In this case we will discuss straight wire, and in second case a circular loop of a type of circular wire which carry current, and in third case a solenoid. So students, these all three patterns, these all three different type of current conductors in which we will study magnetic field patterns are important for your point of examination point of view. Okay students, so here first of all we take first case straight wire current carrying conductor. So student, here the diagram of first case is given here. We have a circuit. First of all we take a sheet which is circular. We take a sheet and suppose you have a table, and if table you have a sheet, white sheet you can put and keep do hole between the middle of the table, and a circuit with battery, and connect this battery to wire and wire to this sheet, and in other words we can say that if we have activity or diagram like this, we can take it as, suppose students, you have a sheet which is on the table or any other base, and you put hole on this sheet and keep wire from this hole or connect to the battery. Okay, here this is a conductor wire on the above the sheet. Okay students, and we have to draw magnetic field pattern, and magnetic field pattern we will draw with the help of compass, and certainly we will get magnetic field pattern either it may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay students, so here the sheet is represented like this. Here between या middle, at the middle there is a hole, and इस hole में आपने वायर कनेक्ट किया है, वायर को बैटरी से लगा दिया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब here with the help of compass in this pattern there are two type of direction of electric current. First, if this is a sheet, then direction of current towards upward direction. Okay, in other case if direction of currents towards downward. So there are two cases. In first case we will discuss if current carrying conductor wire and current flows towards upward, and second case we will discuss when current flows towards downward. So here student, we have this diagram having sheet, current wire, battery, etc., and current is flowing towards upward in direction. अपवर्ड, ऊपर की ओर जा रहा है. आप देख रहे हैं फील्ड पैटर्न कैसा बना हुआ है. इसको हम क्या कह सकते हैं? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. अगर आपका करंट अप एबव यानी सॉरी अपवर्ड्स जाएगा तो फील्ड पैटर्न एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बनेगा. ओके, यदि आप डायग्राम चेंज कर दें, इसका डायरेक्शन डाउनवर्ड्स कर दें तो ये क्लॉकवाइज हो जाएगा. कुछ ऐसे. सी हियर, अगर आप इसको अगर आपका करंट डाउनवर्ड होगा तो ये जो फील्ड पैटर्न होगा इट मे बी क्लॉकवाइज लाइक दैट. And in your book, second diagram is also there. Okay, students? So think here we have two type of direction of flow of current, and similarly according to direction of flow of current we have two type of magnetic field. In first case, if current flows towards upward direction, then we get magnetic field anti-clockwise. And always remember, the field pattern is like a concentric circles. Here concentric means having same center, there are many circles having same center. आप देखिए, तो these type of pattern of magnetic field is called concentric magnetic field. And in second case, students, if current flows downward direction, करंट अगर डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में फ्लो कर रहा है तो वी गेट क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन स्टूडेंट्स. तो इन दिस केस जब करंट डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होगा तो हमें फील्ड पैटर्न मिलेगा क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, एंड जब करंट अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होगा तो हमें फील्ड मिलेगा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. हियर स्टूडेंट, व्हेन द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लोज upwards, the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise. Upward, anti-clockwise. Okay. When the current flows downwards, the direction of magnetic field lines is anti-clockwise. So students, I think it may be clear. It will be clear that in which case direction of magnetic field lines is anti-clockwise, and in which case the direction of magnetic field lines is clockwise. So students, draw this diagram and write down. And one thing students, now we will discuss how do we find direction of magnetic field lines. So here students, we will use a right hand thumb rule to detect the direction of magnetic field. Right hand thumb rule students. Here suppose this is a conductor wire, straight current carrying conductor wire. I will take direction upwards. Okay students, like that. देखिए इस तरह से एक करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर वायर है, और जो हमारा थंब है, थंब क्या शो कर रहा है? द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एंड जो फिंगर क्या शो कर रही हैं? फिंगर्स, जो ये सर्कुलर शेप ऑफ फिंगर शोज द मैग्नेटिक डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. तो राइट हैंड थंब रूल टेल्स अस द डायरेक्शन ऑफ magnetic field lines like that. See here, thumb represents the direction of electric current, and these fingers represents the magnetic field lines which is anti-clockwise. Okay students, and if we put thumb downwards, then this shows the direction of electric current downwards, and these are the clockwise directions. क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. स्टूडेंट, अगर आपने ऐसे लिया इसको, सी हियर, इन दिस केस थंब रिप्रेजेंट्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट डाउनवर्ड्स. ये डाउनवर्ड्स है, ये डायग्राम देखिए. डाउनवर्ड्स में अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये फिंगर्स हैं, ये फिंगर्स का डायरेक्शन क्या है मूवमेंट का? ऐसे ऐसे है. फिंगर्स का जो इंडिकेशन है वो शो कर रहा है क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस if current flows downward. Therefore students, these are anti-clock, and here the pattern is called clockwise direction. Okay students, now we will discuss on which factors the magnetic field, the intensity of magnetic field depends. So here I think it is clear, the magnetic field pattern through around the straight wire current carrying conductor. So okay students, write down. Students, here we have same topic, and in this topic we will discuss topic is on which factors does the field produced by state current carrying conductor depends. ऐसे कौन कौन से फैक्टर हैं जिसमें फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड, व्हाट डू बाय फील्ड? फील्ड मीन्स द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है अ टाइप ऑफ force which is experienced in magnetic field. So the magnitude of magnetic field depends on which factors? In first case, when we have had diagram like this in which current flows upward in first case and current flows downwards in second case. So student, here there are concentric circles and the pattern of circles are anti-clockwise. Okay students, so here you are told that the direction of magnetic field we will find with the help of Maxwell's right hand thumb rule or Maxwell's right hand grip rule. And second is Maxwell's screw rule. Screw means पेच, जिससे हम नट बोल्ट टाइट करते हैं. तो both with the help of both the rules we can detect the direction of magnetic field like that. If we have thumb shows towards the flow of current upward, then this grip of fingers shows anti-clockwise direction of magnetic field patterns. So in this case, first factor is the B. What is B? B is nothing. B is magnitude of magnetic field, which is represented by V. So we can write here B is directly proportional to the current. The magnetic field means the magnitude of magnetic field depends on the current. If current is more, then certainly we get more magnetic field. Therefore, magnetic field is directly proportional to the electric current. And in second case, the magnetic field produced through current carrying conductor wire is inversely proportional to the distance of, in other words we can say the radius of different circles. इसको आप स्टूडेंट ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि ये वायर आपका यहाँ है, पहला सर्कल R1 रेडियस, दूसरा सर्कल R2 रेडियस, थर्ड सर्कल R3 रेडियस एंड फोर्थ सर्कल R4 रेडियस. अगर कोई एक और सर्कल बना दें, सपोज कीजिए इसका क्या रेडियस होगा R5, तो ग्रेटर द रेडियस बिगर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जितना ही स्ट्रांग होगी उतना ही इसका रेडियाई कम होगा. यानी कि यहाँ पर वायर के अराउंड जो हमारा कंडक्टर वायर है, ये कंडक्टर वायर है ना, इसके जस्ट अराउंड स्ट्रांग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज देयर. बट जैसे ही आप इससे आगे बढ़ेंगे, डिस्टेंस क्रिएट होगा, तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वीक होती जाएगी. मीन्स यहाँ पे जो सर्कल है ये क्या है, यहाँ स्ट्रांग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, बट जैसे ही आपका रेडियस बढ़ता है, यहाँ पहुँच गए तो यहाँ वीक हो जाएगा. इसलिए कहा गया है कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम वायर, और इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से द रेडियस ऑफ कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. तो सीधा मतलब ये है कि अगर वायर के आसपास फील्ड है स्ट्रांग होगी, वायर से जितना ही आप दूर जाएंगे उतना ही फील्ड वीक होगी. तो दीज आर टू फैक्टर्स ऑन व्हिच फील्ड पैटर्न, फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय स्टेट करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर डिपेंड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो टेस्ला इज यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. इन हायर क्लासेस यू विल स्टडी B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r, and this is Tesla. What is Tesla? Tesla is a unit of magnetic field. जब हम बोलते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड या फील्ड, तो यहाँ उसका मतलब होता है द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. द मैग्नीट्यूड आप जानते ही हैं, उसकी एक न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू होती है, लाइक 10 टेस्ला, 50 टेस्ला, 100 टेस्ला एक्सेट्रा. जैसे आप फोर्स को शो करते हैं 10 न्यूटन, 5 न्यूटन, 100 न्यूटन, या मास को शो करते हैं 5 किलोग्राम, 10 किलोग्राम. सिमिलरली मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की जो इंटेंसिटी है या जो उसका मैग्नीट्यूड है उसको हम टेस्ला शो करते हैं. टेस्ला इज ए यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड या मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो वी हैव हैड हियर these are two main factors on which magnetic field depends in case of straight wire current conductor. So okay students, and from your book I hope you will study about Maxwell right hand thumb rule and Maxwell's screw rule. For which purpose these rules are used? These rules are used to detect the direction of magnetic field. So okay students, write this. So students, I hope you have written. So here now I would like to summarize here in this lecture one of three different patterns. Actually जो different patterns थे like straight wire, circular loop और solenoid. In this lecture we have discussed in detail the field pattern of straight wire current carrying conductor. Okay students, and we have discussed in detail the factors affecting the magnitude of magnetic field. So okay students, now in next lecture we will discuss other patterns. Till then wait and watch this video, and if you have any question ask, and subscribe our channel to get new and updated videos. Okay students, thanks.